In this video, we will discuss the importance of customer support BPO. This video is brought to you by WIS, one of the fastest growing BPO company in India. Take a minute to consider any of the customer support encounters of the past. How many times would you say your experience was positive? Probably not that many times. Very few people walk away impressed by customer support services, even of their favorite brands. Yet the BPO industry is likely to continue its upward trajectory. Despite the many challenges posed by the pandemic and continuous lockdowns, the outsourcing industry across the globe is expected to register growth of $108 billion at a compounded growth rate of 6.2%. The US remains the leader amongst the Western economies, registering a growth of 5.3%. What do you think makes customer support BPO so crucial for businesses that despite the very serious challenges of work from home, the industry is still growing at a relatively fast pace? Let's find it out. So this is where customer support BPO makes a difference. Let's face it, after reaching a certain point, businesses pretty much can deliver the same level of quality or performance through their core services or products. Especially organizations that have reached the pinnacle of their niche are usually known for a particular product or service that they have mastered. It is hard for businesses to stand out in this uber competitive environment, and great customer support enables brands to do that and stand out in the competition. Many businesses take the run of the mill approach. They invest little money and almost no added effort towards securing worthy outsourcing services. As a result, you get serviceable customer support instead of exceptional. You're probably thinking, isn't it better to save cost where you can? Many believe if the time and money are to be invested, it is better to do it towards improving products and services that are likely to bring tangible results. So why waste resources or something that's not even quantifiable, right? That's completely wrong. Let's discuss the customer loyalty and long-term returns. According to the White House Office of Consumer Affairs, generally a loyal clientele ends up being 10 times more valuable than their first purchase. Now contrast this fact with another. It is almost 6 to 7 times pricier for your businesses to acquire a new customer than retain the existing ones. Putting these two facts side by side, it makes sense to look at customer support BPO in a whole new light. Ask any sales and marketing executives and they would tell you the hopes they go through to bring the new customers on board. You would probably incur more costs throughout the entire life cycle of your business while convincing new clients to trust your service when they are already using and are satisfied with the services of your competitors. And this is where customer support BPO brings invaluable utility to your business. By making sure that your customer service is nothing short of phenomenal, you can cultivate the kind of customer loyalty that will bring returns to your business year after year. A perfect example that brings the spirit of phenomenal service was presented by a Trader Joe. The snow kept falling. An 89-year-old Pennsylvania resident got stuck at his home during the holidays. His daughter was worried that her father won't be able to get food delivered to him in such conditions. She started making phone calls to see if any store could deliver food to his home address. Well, Trader Joe pulled through when no one else could. Not only the store broke its policy and delivered food with a low sodium content, but it also did without any additional charges. And there is more to come. Within 30 minutes, the staff member from Trader Joe delivered complete order. Isn't that impressive? Well, certainly the man and her daughter would have been impressed and are likely to remain loyal customer for Trader Joe. And this everything happened because of the back-end services given by the BPO of Trader Joe. Now let's discuss the importance of word-of-mouth promotion. Great customer support not only helps you to retain existing customers, but it can also actually get you more clients. And that too on a fraction of the marketing budget that you would typically allot to promote your product or services. To understand how customer support can earn you positive word of mouth, take this example of Rackspace. As an employee was conducting a troubleshooting session with a client, she became aware that the client was craving food and she instantly went ahead and ordered pizza for this client. When the pizza arrived just 30 minutes later, the client was still on call with the customer support executive. You can imagine the joy that the client must have felt. This was a small gesture, but it was extremely important given by this BPO executive. So what is the takeaway? Good or bad, customers will have opinions on your business. They will continue to share those with others. But you need to bet on the other fact that the negative experiences are talked about much more than the positives, and especially on the social media. It could be hard to control the narrative of your brand, but stories like the one which I just mentioned are going to turn the tide in your favor. Customer support BPO can play a much larger role in the progress of an organization. Only the perspective needs to shift a little. Now, when it comes to selecting your BPO company, I recommend considering WIS in India. This is one of the fastest growing BPO companies in India. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.